Well, I'm standing here with Tom from Bonide, and we are at Terra Gardens. And Tom, you know, there's a couple of things that always tend to haunt us gardeners, things like blackberry vines that are just rampant sometimes, and then the horsetail stuff. You have a product that takes care of those.
I sure do, and it is label specific for blackberries and horsetail.
Nice.
Horsetail can be a little scary. At first sight, it's almost prehistoric.
Right.
It's quite the invasive and ugly weed. But before I tell you how this works, the magic ingredient is something called tricloper. So anytime you're going after blackberries, make sure it contains some percentage of tricloper. And for horsetail. So this will make it very easy because there's no mixing, there's no spraying. You simply unscrew the cap, and beneath the cap is a brush.
Oh, wow.
And so from there you just brush it onto the blackberry cane or the actively growing horsetail.
So you're not, I like this too, because then if you're spraying, there's chances that sprays can be caught in the wind too and go elsewhere. This just diminishes all that.
It diminishes it completely. There's no drift because we're not spraying. So you can just pinpoint exactly where you're going. I will say the most actively growing weed, the most actively growing blackberry, horsetail, even thistle, that's what you want to get this on.
So as soon as you see it, the sooner you see it starting is when that's the best time to get it on there.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
And usually one application, and it's a nice even brush stroke with that dauber cap. Get it completely covered, both sides, and usually one application, it'll translocate down to the roots and kill it completely.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, there you have it. You know, we always want to make gardening easier for all of us. So for more information on this product, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website, or you can just come out here if you're in the Salem area to Terra Gardens and pick it up there. Thanks a lot, Tom.
Thank you.